Okay, this next assignment is called Pig Pen Cipher. And so what it is we have messages written out using a cipher. And so the goal is to identify what the cipher is saying. And here's your key to identify them. Okay, so the letter A is a little part of this box. B is the U part of the box. C is this part of the box. An X would be this with a little dot. That way, the little dot helps us show that it is an X, not a T. The Y is like that, and then the Z is like that. This says hello world, so that symbol right there, that's the H. This box is the E. These two are right here. Those are L's. This one is the O. This one, let's see, it's the W. That is the O again. That is the R. That is the L. And that is the D. So your challenge is to identify what these two things are saying and then write your own message here in the code. And your goal is to have a partner decode it. So when you're doing these challenges, I'll help you out a little bit on this first one. This symbol right here. So I'm looking, here's the left side, but I need a dot. So there it is. That's M. I have the less than symbol with a dot. That's a Y. If I'm looking at this right here, that's the letter I. If I'm looking right here, that's a B. That's an E. I'll have this. So that's a W. That's an A. That's an R. And that's an E. When you make your code, what you'll want to do is maybe write out the message on a separate sheet of paper or off to the side. So, for example, I'm going to use a sticky note. I'm going to use let's go Hawks. So my L goes like that. The E goes like that. Now, let me be very clear. I'm using this as an example. You can go ahead and do your own. You are writing your own message. So there's my let's, my go. You are going to write your own message in this spot. Partners, if you decode it and it says let's go Hawks, your partner didn't do it correctly because you need to come up with something different. That's a W, so I need to put a little dot there. I need the K, which is right here. And then I need the S, which is right here. And then you would have your partner decoded. So the partner would go and look and say, okay, well, that's an L. That's the E. That's the less than symbol without the dot, so that's a T. That's a V right there, so that's S. That is a G. That is an O. No dot, that's an H. No dot, so that's an A. With a dot, so that's a W. With a dot, so that's a K. No dot, so that's an S. What you need to do is you need to decode these ones right here, these messages. These are set messages. Write your own. And on the back, there are 3 more for you to write your own and have a partner decode it. You need to write your own 4 messages. And no, you cannot steal Let's Go Hawks. Come up with your own message. That is today's lesson.